All right, second grade. Today we're going to represent addition situations with number sentences using a symbol for the unknown number. Yes, using a symbol for the unknown number. Okay, so here is the story problem for your first page. There are 15 children on the bus. Then 9 more children get on the bus. How many children are on the bus now? Okay, so if we're going to figure out this bar model like we did yesterday, I'll repeat the story and I want you to put the right numbers in the right places. Are you ready? There are 15 children on the bus. Then 9 more children went on the bus, or got on the bus. Okay, now let's think about this. I've seen most of you write in those numbers in the 2 boxes that are there. Which box is bigger? The one on the left. So what number should go on that left? 15. 15 is a bigger number, so it should be in the bigger box. Okay? And then what goes in the small box? 9. 9. Okay. So let's figure out this answer. Let's show our work over here on the side. Some of you might be able to just do this in your head, and that's fine. But some of you cannot. Now, remember, when you have a single digit like that, number 9 is a single digit by itself. It's just a ones number. So it needs to go only on the 1 side, not on the 10s. So now you add up the ones. 9 plus 5. What is that, Isaac? No, 9 plus 5. I'm asking what 9 plus 5 is. Right. 14. So I put a 4 under the ones place and a 1 over the tens place for 14. Now what do I do, Kason? Add the 2 tens. How many 10? 2 tens. Well, basically that is what, Jason? Well, but it's 2, and that makes it 24. So what goes right here? 24. 24 what? Do you remember what the label should be? 20 children. Okay, so write children. All right, next page, if you're all ready with that. Okay, model and draw. Let's read the directions. You can write a number sentence to show a problem. Okay, let's read the problem. Sandy has 16 pencils. Nancy has 13 pencils. How many pencils do the 2 girls have? So they're writing it as a number sentence. So they have 16 plus 13 equals box. Because we don't know that number. That's a missing number. Make sure you're tracing those numbers. 16 plus 13. Okay, now, once we have it written down, we can figure it out by stacking and adding, because that's what we know how to do best, right? So let's do 16 plus 13, which they have actually already done for you. What's 6 plus 3, guys? 9. And then what's 1 plus 1? 2. So how many pencils do they have together? 20. Okay, I want you to try to write 29 also in the box.
I can't see that.
Oh, then use a different pencil. All right. Now you have share and show. Okay. Now this is what a lot of you guys kept forgetting to do yesterday. When you wrote your number sentence, you forgot to make a box. You just wrote the answer or whatever number that went in the missing number, right? So here's what I want you to do today. Make sure, because some of you are going to have to correct at recess or before then if you can, because you did not put the box around the missing number that you're trying to find. Okay? Write a number sentence for the problem. Use a box for the missing number. Then solve. So before you even put the missing number in there, you're supposed to put a box. You understand?
Yes.
Before you even find the answer, don't even find the answer yet. Just write the problem first. Then you can work it out to find the answer. Understand? Okay. So, how about we'll do these two together on share and show. I'll let you do the on your own with a partner, and the back side will be by yourself, and the homework will be by yourself.
So under I want to do all of those.
Yeah, together. Or maybe just one together, and then you can do number 2 together with your partner. Okay, let's do it. Carl sees 25 melons at the store. 15 are small, and the rest are large. How many melons are large? Okay, so let's write this problem out. We're only writing the number sentence at this point. Okay? Got it? Okay. So Carl sees 25 melons at the store. That's all the melons. Okay? He sees all of them. So what does that tell you? Where's the 25 going to go? Is it going to go as this added, or the answer for the sum? If that's total, that's all the ones that he sees, and he's not going to see any more than that. What does that mean, Grayson?
For the answer.
Yeah, that would be the end answer. So do that for right now. Okay, now we have to find the add-ins. So it says there's 15 small, right? So we can write 15 as the first one, first number, but then you need a box for the large melons. Okay? So here we go. Now we can use this work over here, this all this space, to work out the answer. Okay? So you could subtract to find the answer. But some of you guys may not know how to subtract two-digit numbers yet. So probably drawing a picture is the best. But that means you're going to have to draw lots of objects. We're going to call melons, so we're going to just draw circles for melons. Okay? I'm going to draw 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Draw 25 melons. Chase, if you want to do the subtraction, you can just do the subtraction. Okay, now it says 15 of them are small. So let's cross out 15 because we know those are going to be small ones, and we're not counting small ones, we're trying to find the large ones. So let's cross out the small ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, I crossed out 15. Okay, I crossed out the 15 small melons. So how many circles or melons do I have left for the large ones? Count them. Count the ones you did not cross out. How many did you count, Isaac? How many melons are left after you do 15? She's still drawing 25. Are you crossing out 15 or are you crossing out? Okay, everybody, what is the number that you got?
10.
Okay, I'm hearing 9 and 10.
10.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. If you got 9, you probably either only got 24 melons the first time, or you might have crossed out too many melons the second time, or the second step. Should not get the right answer. You either didn't draw enough melons, or you crossed out too many, or you're counting wrong. Period. That could just be counted wrong. Okay? 10 melons. They already have that. So do you see? You don't even actually need the answer right there. They just want a box to show that you know where the missing number will go. Understand? Because your answer is just going to go over here. Got it?
Yeah.
So with your partner, you're going to put the number sentence and then the answer over there. Okay? You can do the next 4 with your partner. Okay. If 83 is the most, 83 is going to be your answer, right? Okay, 53 of them were children, and the rest were adults. We are trying to find how many adults there were. We don't know how many adults. Okay, I would not draw 83 circles. 25 was a lot. 83 is too many. Okay? So what I would do is I would do 53 plus, we don't know, equals 83. Okay? Now, if you're going toward the ones, 3 plus what equals 3? If I give you 3 cookies, that's what you have. Can I give you any more and you still have 3?
No.
No. So what do I need to give you how many?
0.
0. I can't give you any cookies to equal 3. And then 5 plus what is 8?
3.
5 plus 3 is 8. So now you have your missing number. Your missing number is
30.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yes.
You can still stack and add. You're just going to have to not have that number there. Okay? All right. Okay, the hot problem is getting you guys. You are not getting the right answer. And the reason why is because this is a 2-step problem. It is not just 1 step. It is 2 steps. You have to pay attention to what the question is asking and what the story is telling you. Grayson, pay attention. Amy has 19 daisies. So I'm going to write an A for Amy, and I'm going to write 19 because I know she has 19 daisies. Okay? Keisha has 12 more than Amy. Is that telling me how many she has?
No.
No. It's telling me that she has 12 more than Amy, but that's not telling me how many Keisha has. So what do you think you have to do? You have to figure out how many does Keisha have. So now you're going to have to go over here and you're going to have to write, well, I know Amy has 19 because the story told me she has 19. But Keisha has 12 more than that, than Amy. So I have to do 12 more than 19.